The Karnataka government has said no decision has been taken on the proposed privatization of power distribution in the state. Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said the issue would be discussed in the next cabinet meeting and the decision would be taken only after considering the views of ESCOM employees. He added that no individual could take such a decision on their own. The clarification comes amid concerns over Tata Power's application for a license to distribute electricity in Karnataka. Energy Minister K.J. George also said there is no proposal to privatize electricity distribution. He stated that the government stood firmly with ESCOM employees and that objections had already been filed before the Karnataka Electricity Regulatory Commission. The minister said the Energy Department had prepared a 25-year roadmap for energy security and highlighted that 1.67 crore consumers were benefiting from the Gruha Jyoti scheme. He added that the government was spending 21,000 crore rupees on free power for agricultural pump sets and had established 120 new power substations to strengthen the state's electricity infrastructure.